When it comes to rat rod racing, ingenuity is the name of the game, especially in the fuel delivery department. Instead of expensive aftermarket parts, builders often turn to repurposed materials to craft systems that deliver maximum speed with minimal cost. Picture a fuel tank made from an old beer keg, fitted with homemade baffles to prevent sloshing during hard launches and tight turns. Fuel lines might be salvaged from discarded tractors or farm equipment, while high-flow filters come from industrial machinery or heavy-duty trucks. Gravity-fed or electric pump systems are pieced together from motorcycle, marine, and even lawnmower components. Even the carburetor setup might be a Frankenstein's monster, mixing parts from different vehicles to create the perfect air-fuel ratio for quick throttle response. Safety is also a priority. Racers use fireproof sleeves, quick disconnect fittings, and reinforced clamps, often sourced from aircraft salvage yards or surplus stores. The result? A fuel system that's as unique as the car itself, built not just for function, but as a testament to hands-on creativity and the relentless pursuit of speed. This DIY approach embodies the true spirit of rat rod engineering, where resourcefulness meets raw power on the drag strip.